Welcome to mantechhd. In this video we are showing you the all-new 2022 Lexus LX600 F Sport. The new Lexus LX flagship SUV is here, complete with a new 3.5L twin-turbo V6 and 10-speed transmission, dual touchscreens, and 5 grades: standard, premium, luxury, and the first ever F Sport and ultra-luxury trim levels. But in this video we will talk about the all-new 2022 Lexus LX600 F Sport. Let's check about its interior and exterior, reviews, features and specifications as well as price. So, stay tuned and enjoy the video. If we talk about the interior, a whole new layout and interface awaits passengers. The upper 12.3-inch center display shows navigation, audio controls, and the multi-terrain monitor during off-road driving. The lower 7-inch touch display shows the climate control screen and serves as a driving support screen for multi-terrain select. Lexus claims this helps create a more comfortable driving experience with a variety of views, instrumentation, and control adjustments, but it seems to overlook the inevitable distractions for drivers. The interior has received a much-needed upgrade, as well. The infotainment system is a vast improvement over the old model setup, which didn't even offer Apple CarPlay. The new one can do so wirelessly, or pair wirelessly with Google-based phones using Android Auto. The top touch screen stretches 12.3 inches between diagonal corners, while the one below goes 7.0 inches. The interior accommodations should be even more comfortable than before, especially for buyers who opt for the new top-shelf ultra-luxury version. The ultra-luxury comes in 4-seat configuration and offers exclusive cushions and headrests to better corset the body, a footrest for the rear passenger's side rider, added air vents for the second row and an added screen. If we talk about the engine, the 4-wheel drive with a low range is again standard, and the only powertrain for now is a twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 engine with 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. We are expecting with our estimation the price of the Lexus LX600 F Sport around $90,000. If you get some information from our video, so please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for watching more videos of mantechhd.